Embracing a multifaceted approach to law enforcement, the Nigerian Police Force has made significant advancements in curbing criminal behavior and fostering a safer environment for the populace. With each stride taken towards the drastic reduction in crime, the Nigerian Police solidifies its position as a pillar of strength within the community, inspiring confidence and trust among the citizenry. Since October 1, 2024, the Nigerian Police Force has recorded significant achievements in the fight against crime. These include the arrest of 371 armed robbery suspects, 186 kidnapping suspects, 242 murder/homicide suspects, 63 suspects connected with unlawful possession of prohibited firearms, 217 rape suspects, 167 suspected cultists, and of course, recovery of 210 various firearms, 3,172 ammunition of various calibers also recovered. The police was also able to recover 118 stolen vehicles and rescue 64 victims of kidnapping across the country. Turning to recent crime-fighting achievements, today we're giving a comprehensive briefing of various significant police operations conducted by the operatives of the Nigerian Police Force that has led to the arrest of dangerous criminals involved in various heinous crimes and recoveries of several arms and ammunition, as well as other items across the country. From Delta State, the Delta Police Command has also made significant breakthroughs in its operations involving the CPA Special Assignment Team, SAT, which has led to the arrest of 52 suspects, including 34 suspected kidnappers, 12 suspected cultists, 2 suspected fraudsters, and 4 suspected gun runners. The operatives have also made the recovery of 7 AK-47 rifles, 1 AK-49 rifle, 1 G3 rifle, 6 pump-action rifles, 9 LMG rifles, 16 Beretta pistols, 35 live cartridges, and 53 live ammunition. Recovered the ransom of 5.5 million naira and rescued 3 kidnapped victims during the time under review. From the Federal Capital Territory, acting on incredible intelligence, the anti-kidnapping unit of the Federal Capital Territory Police Command on the 1st October 2024 trailed and arrested 4 notorious kidnappers who have been terrorizing the Federal Capital Territory, namely Yao Sonny, A.K. Baba, and S-Conflict, No, A.K. Giwa, Kabiru Mohammed, and Yusuf Hassan, at their criminal hideout in Sauka in Abuja. The suspect confessed to being responsible for series of kidnappings within the Federal Capital Territory and its environs, and the killing of 7 victims in the process. This gang have launched attacks in Dakwa, Dawaki, Ako Estate, Dupe Village, Zuma Rock, Kuchiko Village, and some villages in Niger and Kaduna State, respectively. They also led police operatives to another hideout in Gauraka Forest, Suleja, in Niger State, where they dug out 4 various guns from them in the hideout. Now, Katsina State, I think we are going to jump some of this so that we won't waste our time today. Yobe Command on October 20, 2024, at about 6:30 p.m., operatives of Yobe State Command attached to A Division Police Headquarters, Damaturu, received credible intelligence regarding a suspected gun runner en route to Damaturu from Bunu Yadi. Swift and decisive action of the officers led to the interception of a Golf 3 saloon car, and a thoroughly conducted search revealed 350 rounds of live 7.62 by 39 mm ammunition concealed in the suspect's luggage. The suspect, identified as Amsatu Modu, is currently undergoing interrogation in the command. Enugu Command, on October 17, 2024, at about 6 p.m., joint operatives of the Enugu State Police Command Tactical Team raided the kidnappers' hideout in Nokpanike in Enugu East local government area. Upon the operatives' arrival, the kidnappers opened fire, prompting a return of fire. This fierce gun battle led to the death of 2 suspected kidnappers, and the police operatives successfully rescued 1 kidnapped victim from them, and also recovered 1 G3 rifle, 2 AK-47 rifles, 3 loaded magazines, and 155 rounds of live ammunition of AK-47 rifle. Manhunt has been launched to ensure all other gang members are apprehended in quick time and made to face the consequences. At this point today, we are going to have press briefing concerning the achievements of the intelligence response team. Today we have on display 16 suspects for various offenses, 12 assaulted arms, 1,004 rounds of various calibers of ammunition on display. The first case today is illegal dealing in firearms. You recollect that anytime we have a parade of this nature, we always have suspects arrested for gun running, banditry, kidnapping, one chance, and car theft. So the first case today involves Aruna Mukaila, 25 years, and Ibrahim Bello Male, 20 years. From them, we recovered 1 AK-47 rifle, 30 rounds of 7.62 mm ammunition live. Acting on credible intelligence, operatives of the IRT proceeded to Chinge, Lafia, Nasarawa State at about 10 p.m. on 2nd October 2024. The first suspect, Aruna Mukailu, was arrested, and a conducted search led to the recovery of 1 AK-47 rifle in his house. Upon interrogation, he confessed to have bought the rifle from an unidentified gun runner and sold to Bello, his friend, who confessed to sourcing the rifle for one Hawa based in Ikura village, just after Kaduna. Investigation is still ongoing, but the suspects are here, and we are still making efforts to arrest other members of this syndicate. Aruna Mukailu, you know the. Can we have the second mic? Who is a good interpreter that will help me today? 25 years. Where are you from? From Lafia. Huh? What are you doing with the AK-47 rifle? Belongs to Ibrahim. How is Ibrahim to you?
Na Ibrahim. Why Ibrahim Bello?
Kashina. This is Ibrahim. And what is he doing with it? What does he want to do with it? To do what? To play Ludo? Where he won't get the rifle, for where he wants here.
Bello ne yasermin.
Bello. We have suspects here, Ibrahim Bello, and one Bello sold it to him. So Bello are in the game now. Okay. Do you have any Bello there? Gentlemen of the press? Can I give Bello to anybody? I can christen you Bello. Your name?
Ibrahim Bello.
Age? How old are you?
20 years old.
How did you get this gun?
Na ba wannan ne wani ne awwal ya ban kudi ya tambaye ni na san wanda yake sayar da bindiga na ce gaskiya ni ban sani ba. Daga nan sai ya ce mun to don Allah in dan bincika mai in na ji wanda ya san inda ake sayar da bindiga sai in mai magana ya bani kudi in ba wancan diye ya sayo mai.
That one Lowell from Kanu asked him to look for AK-47 so that he will buy. So that's when he went to look for it from Haruna.
Okay, gentlemen of the press, you can see 25 years and 20 years. You can see they are young people, and they are those desperate to have this. And basically, most of them get these guns to supply bandits in their various forests and camps. But we continue to go after them and get them one by one. We can return them. The next case of criminal conspiracy and kidnapping. Hamadu Adumumin, Garba Isa, Togai Gaptas. Relatives of the IRT, after a report that suspect gathered at the Chelsea Hotel in Yelwa, Chandam local government in Plateau State, locals and of course members of the public alerted the operatives of the IRT from Chinge, identified potential targets among the villagers for the gang. That's his own job. He will look for the targets in the community and come and tell the gang before they operate. The suspect operated with 2 AK-47 rifles, which remain with their leader, who is currently at large. They disclose that the ransom collected per victim ranged from 500,000 naira to 7 million naira. Amadu Abdumumin admitted to using his share of the ransom to buy fertilizer for his farm, while Garba Isa confessed to be part of another kidnapping syndicate in Benin Lada, Bakin Lada. Gaptas. How old are you? You can speak English. You're from Plateau, I know. Where are you from?
From Plateau State.
Plateau State?
Yes, sir.
Are you married?
Yes, sir.
How many wives?
I get 2 wives, sir.
2 wives. How many children?
8.
8?
Yes, sir.
Yahweh. You need to hustle, true. Why are you into kidnapping?
Wani abokina ne ya sani ya ce doke wani abokin shi.
Kai ba turanci ne?
Ba zan iya fita. Zan iya turanci ya fita.
Speak pidgin, don't worry. Any speaking. Pidgin, speak on. If not waffy.
It's one my friend tell me say make I come join him with this club.
Which one of your friends? Who?
Babao.
Babao.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Babao no day. Where is it?
In Doron.
Iran.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh yeah, talk. I hear you.
So now you tell me, say, make I come join him. So now they come show me the house that they come to carry peoples. That is why I come carry these peoples to go and keep there. So
now you they say now you they go town, go look for person we get money we go fit pay. So you can't tell them say I don't see target or I don't see person or you can't kidnap. No be so.
Yes, sir.
So how much did they give you?
It's 50,000.
For giving them information, only 50,000.
All in all is 180,000.
Okay, how you can share the money between your two wives?
I give them 20,000.
Where do you take the rest 110,000 do?
I go farm.
You go farm?
With the rest, yes, sir.
What do you plant?
They plant rice and beans, millet.
For how long you don't do farm?
I reached 20 years.
20 years. When did you start kidnapping?
It's this year, sir.
So why you don't kidnapping when you know say farming good? You don't do farming now 20 years. Why did you leave farming? Now go join kidnapping.
It's a mistake, sir.
It's a mistake.
Yes, sir.
But not the work of devil. Not be devil.
You say I can share that, sir.
No, can't put devil.
It's a work
leave
of
devil where level day.
It's a work of devil, sir.
Isn't a mistake? Mistake different from the work of devil. Gaptas.
Yes, sir.
Kagani. Mistake different from the work of devil. You don't tell us a mistake. Why you can't put devil join now? So what can you tell others like you? Where they think of what you are doing. They are farmers, you have business, and your business is doing well. Then when you do join kidnappers, what advice can you give to them?
So shawaran da na iya na basu lokacin da kaminan aka kama mu, before kaminan kama mu amin, na ce musu gaskiya wannan aiki bai da kyau domin ni din nan mai noma ne, ba na shi ka zama a nan sosai.
Even before they arrested them, he has already advised his colleagues that they should stop this work. It's not good.
Okay. It's a show. Like I always said, any offense committed, we always leave it. On October 8, 2019, transport to Yahaya, the suspect reported that he was paid 70,000 naira for the delivery and was to receive the balance upon completion of the job. Here we have. Yahaya? Who be your Oga? Now, Commander IRT be Oga, no be me. No be me be Oga. How old are you? Your age now?
24.
Eh?
24.
Who they interpret now? Who my interpreter? I negotiated payment. So somebody like him and to others that are looking at us, we want your cooperation in this regard. Shun all these conspiracy, shun all these criminal engagements, so they can have a more secure society in Nigeria. He's just a young man. He's 24 years of age and is to this business. What actually is he looking for? Return him. Thank you. The next case, Jubilee ammunition. You can see that the way they trade with arms and ammunition is of concern to us. This is another case. Which one is the case of the recovered GPMG that time? He said we have him back nation long, one Makarov pistol, one fabricated branding pistol, one round of 7.8 mm live ammunition, 2 rounds of G3 live ammunition, 4 rounds of 7.6 mm live ammunition shots, 1 round of 9 mm live ammunition. Now almost all the calibers that are very, very common in use we have with this man. On September 30, 2024, at approximately 5 a.m., IRT operatives acting on credible intelligence arrested a suspect, a native of Mabo village in Wasi local government, Plateau State, in his residence. During the search, they discovered several exhibits related to his activities. The suspect confessed to being an arms supplier for notorious kidnappers and bandits terrorizing Plateau State and other neighboring states. He also indicated that the arms found in his house belonged to his friend, Marafa, who is currently evading arrest. We will surely get him. Other members of his gun-running ring are under intense surveillance, and we will get them. Dubri Musa, how old are you?
I'm 56 years old.
Now, Elder, why are you to this business?
Sana abokina ne shi ma a sanan bana ne ma na fara ta bana.
Marafa.
Started 1 year ago.
One year ago? Who introduced him to the business?
Abokina ne. Marafa. That is friend.
How much have you made so far?
He said he only gained 50,000 twice. Total 100.
Total 100,000 so far. What have you done with the money?
That he bought maize.
Okay. Gentlemen of the press, we can assure you that very soon our operatives stroke kidnapping kingpin Ibrahim Shehu, male, 30 years. This is the celebrity here today, alias Smallie. Operatives of our intelligence response team, in conjunction with personnel of the military, DSS and other security agencies, particularly local governments, conducted a special clearance operation in Ankomi village along the Kabba-Lokoja highway in Kogi State. During this operation, the team successfully arrested Ibrahim Shehu, a 30-year-old male from Odekpe village in Kogi State, who is a wanted notorious kingpin involved in armed robbery and kidnapping. Upon interrogation, the suspect confessed to participating in multiple armed robbery, kidnapping, and cattle rustling incidents across Kano, Katsina, Niger, and Kaduna states. He disclosed that he and his fleeing gang members had collected significant amounts of ransom from their victims so far. He revealed that his gang was armed with 4 AK-47 rifles, which were primarily used for their kidnapping and armed robbery operations. He also identified some of his gang members, including the gang's leader, who are currently under surveillance to be apprehended any moment from now. Ibrahim Shehu.
Yes, sir.
For how long have you been? Once we have a challenging situation, we swiftly embrace approach and embrace approach to tackle such a challenge. And that is why we are rising up to this challenge of traffic robbery, house breaking, one chance, and stealing from persons in the Federal Capital Territory. Umar Tribal, you are the one. Now, can you speak Pidgin? Broken? What it be no? No, no be English. You are from Kano. Since when you don't live for Abuja? Which year? Eh? Hmm? 5 years. So when did you start this robbery and one chance you are doing? It's not to what? 1 year. How did you meet these people? You are working together?
Ni wa'annan a gudun zama ne dai Allah ya haɗa mu tare da su. Kuma ba wai muna zuwa yawon dauke-dauke da su bane. Suna zuwa suna yin nasu daban, ni ma ina yin nawa daban. Su wannan dai garanti abin da yake shiga, abin da ya shiga tsakanina da su ina dan taimaka musu da dan kuɗi haka suna cin na abinci, wasu wannan suna idan sun samu suna iya kawo mu. In sun samu suna iya kawo mu. Shi kuma wannan Yusuf din ina iya ɗaukar kuɗi 30,000, 50,000 haka ya ɗan yi jali haka sakamakon yana tare da ni. Ban taɓa zuwa ko ina da shi ba. Kuma na shiga gida bai wuce sau huɗu ba.
The Bogu house, the smartphone. It no matter. Give to the second one, make you know what they do. Gentlemen, you don't see this one, no. So let Abuja people see him face. Now they collect their phone for traffic or any post off. Now him. Road 1 NTA staff collected a wedding ring. Wedding ring, first ID card. Have we recovered the NTA ID card so that this one will not come to headquarters and say he's a journalist? Anyway, you are here already, don't worry. You are not afraid of that again.
Sunana Abubakar.
Abubakar Damune? Yawwa.
Mu muna buɗe idan muka je muka samu gida ba kowa ko ɗaki ba kowa. Za mu yi ƙoƙarin yadda za mu buɗe mu ɗauka TV ko laptop. Sai kan kekunan ɗinki da muka taɓa ɗiba. Kwata-kwata ban wuce wata 3 da zuwa Abuja nan ba.
His own is when he discovered that there is nobody at home, they will boggle the house, enter, packed all the necessary things, television, laptop, and his job is not, his bid is not up to 3 months.
Okay, now, when did they do that kind of thing? Ask him. Neighbor, where they live, that place, they see them. How did they do it? How did they see them?
Ba ma yi a kusa, kuma sannan ba ma bari kowa ya gama. Muna yin sandu ɗakin ɗaukan numfashi mu muke yi.
That they normally cease their breath and they will observe very well that if there is nobody before they will do that.
Well, I think we need to be more observant as neighbors. There's not how these guys will want to operate in a house and will not notice unusual movement. It's because we don't care. It's because of our I don't care attitude that these individuals always have their ways. There's no how actions exemplify the afflicting dedication. Our commitment on General Police Force under the leadership of the Inspector General of Police IGP Olukayode Adeolu Egbetokun to ensure perpetration of heinous crimes of various degrees are swept away from disrupting the peace of our dear country. The Nigeria Police Force will continue to build on this progress, addressing security concerns across our nation, and establishing a safe haven for the good citizens of our dear nation. We will continue to enhance the safety and security of the country, implementing various tactical operations, intelligence-led policing, and community engagement strategies. The goal of these initiatives is to establish a substantial decrease in crime rates across the country and the record of significant strides in combating several crimes of violent crimes, such as banditry, kidnapping, armed robbery, and cyber crime. In reaction to the growing concerns regarding the spread of fake news, recycling of old videos in efforts to malign the police authority, the Inspector General of Police remains firm and committed to personnel welfare and underscores his unwavering commitment to safeguarding the welfare of all officers of Nigeria Police Force. This one is addressing the cycling of fake news and, of course, old content. We have noticed that people will recycle this content and to create unnecessary tension in Nigeria. This is a criminal offense under the law. We want to urge you to please shun this so that the long arm of the law will not catch you. Gentlemen of the press, we want to urge everyone to think critically about the information they consume and share, as well as reporters to consider the impact their words and information can have on real lives and the important work being done every day by the men of Nigeria Police Force. And the force remains dedicated to transparency and accountability. Let me use this opportunity again to inform you that as a follow-up to the case of assault against Honorable Alexandra, the Honorable has been charged to court today. The Nigeria Police Force is committed to upholding the rule of law and making sure we have sanctity and respect for human dignity in Nigeria. The Special Investigation Unit of Nigeria Police Force has taken over the case from the Federal Capital Territory Police Command. And the SFU has packaged the case file, prepared the charge, and they have taken the Honorable to court for the offense of assault committed. We are going to make an official statement again to that effect, but for those of you, particularly the electronic media that are here, so they can have your visuals, then the write-up will follow on your platform. We want to appreciate gentlemen of the press.